I was honored to be a part of the coaching academy that you did for the Shift Nation. Being on campus taught me how to be coachable and also how to be a coach. It was an amazing experience because everybody on campus was there to learn, including the coaches, right?
Hey guys, my name is Queen Visha and I'm a self-published author and a motivational speaker. And I just had the honors of graduating Order It Coaching. Yay! So I just want to share with you guys my 3 biggest takeaways in hopes that it can inspire and motivate you guys as well to step on campus and start to live your full potential. So my first takeaway is definitely I learned a lot about accountability.
She knows how to push beyond limits. She knows how to motivate while she's going through her own pain. And she is a strong leader. So I want to say thank you, Pomonia, for, being a prime example of what a leader should be and just teaching me how to push beyond those limits and be consistent in order to achieve my goals. So that is one big lesson that I learned from you.